What I know about Upside's culture is we try to hire the best people. With that, I think you have a culture of very happy people that want to come into work every day and want to work with the people day in and day out. You want to do your best, you want to help people out.
We try to hire people that are going to have a good attitude, want to strive to win, want to do their best work here.
Upside's culture, in one word, is positivity. The energy you get from actually working here is fun. Even when I, am having a bad morning, I walk out into machining and the first, person I see a smile. It just kind of rearranges my thought and my process and kind of re-energizes me with that kind of positive attitude.
Every day, I just want to wake up and come to work and see these people. They are my second family. They are, truly. That's Upside family.
It's an overall uplifting kind of environment. We have a lot of music playing out there, so there's a lot of easy listening. There's nothing that really puts a damper on anything.
We all get along well, which is a big part of any corporation you work with when you're doing this kind of work. If you're not comfortable, you're not going to produce your best product. And that's what our aim is, produce our best, safest product.
Attitude is your most important tool. You can build a shop off a good attitude and have everybody in a good mood and rolling.
Definitely everyone here is empowered to make decisions based on the circumstances they're in. We don't have that where you have to have 5 approvals from someone. So we want everyone to speak up at all levels, and we don't want anyone to be afraid to try to throw an idea out there and make a decision.
Having the employees feel like they have part of that ownership of the business is really what continues to drive people to come. You're not going to be here being told exactly what to do all the time. It's just not what we are.
I actually like to work on new things. I like to be challenged, and over here I get that since it is a growing company and my voice matters in here.
I feel like I have the chances to move in any direction that I want here. I just recently started welding, so when we get backed up, I jump over there and I help out. I know that there's the opportunity to either go to that or advisement on things and putting in my input.
Ownership gives people the sense of responsibility. Responsibility gives the sense of I'm important. The more responsibility a person can have, as long as it's not an overload, really shows that you trust and care that that person can do it.
In general, everyone here kind of does everything they can in terms of customer service, whether it be internal, external, whether it's your area or someone else's area. Everyone here just kind of steps up and takes care of anyone that needs help.
Customer service is the most important thing. If we don't have good customer service and good product quality, we're not going to exist. It's the most important thing, hands down, that we do here outside of maintaining our safety on a regular basis.
Something I learned about my 23 years in manufacturing is if you don't have fun on your job, you're going to get crazy. And we do have fun here, a lot of fun.
We work hard and we play hard. People who want to come to work every day, make a difference, do the best they can for their customers. At the end of the day, still have fun while we're doing it.
It feels really good to be a part of something that I have no idea how big could be. The people alone, it's just fun to come here and play with the crew. I kind of want to be here for as far as it goes.
We spend more time at work than we do really any other waking moment in any other place. And we want to be able to have a very positive, good, fun environment where everybody feels heard, everybody feels like a part of that bigger team. And I think we've really done a good job of doing that so far.